A study was conducted to know life satisfaction in two groups of people. Group X consists of older adults and Group Y consists of younger adults. Find which group is more satisfied. Group X consists of older adults and Group Y consists of younger adults. We are going to apply 6 steps of hypothesis testing. Step 1 is scientific statement. A study was conducted to know life satisfaction in two groups of people. We know that the older people have more experience and they are more satisfied in their lives. So, a unidirectional hypothesis would be formed. Step 2 is formulation of hypothesis. Null hypothesis is equal to H naught is equal to there is no difference in the life satisfaction of two groups. H naught is equal to X bar is equal to Y bar, alternate hypothesis. HA is equal to there is difference between life satisfaction. HA is equal to X bar is not equal to Y bar. Third step is analysis or calculations. T is equal to X bar minus Y bar divided by SP into under the root 1 over N1 plus 1 over N2. This is formula for T test. Formula for SP is SP square is equal to N1 minus 1 sigma 1 square plus N2 minus 1 sigma 2 square divided by N1 plus N2 minus 2. We have to calculate X bar, Y bar, SP, sigma 1 square and sigma 2 square. X bar is mean of sample 1, Y bar is mean of sample 2. Sigma 1 square is variance of sample 1 and sigma 2 square is the variance of sample 2. These samples are ages of younger adults and older adults. First, we are going to calculate the value of X bar. X bar is equal to sum of X over N. X represents the ages of older adults. We are going to put these values in the formula. 232 divided by 5 and the value of X bar comes out to be 44.6. Now we are going to calculate the variance of group 1. It is represented by formula sigma 1 square is equal to sum of X minus X bar whole square divided by N minus 1. We are supposed to calculate the value of X minus X bar first. X represents ages and X bar represents mean. We just calculated. 45 minus 44.6 is equal to 0.4 and so on. We are going to calculate square of the values just obtained. So 0.4 square and so on. After adding these values, we obtain sum of X minus X bar whole square and it is equal to 131.2. We are going to put these values in the formula. 131.2 divided by 5 minus 1 is equal to 131.2 divided by 4 is equal to 32.8. So variance of group X is 32.8. Now we are going to calculate Y bar. Y bar is equal to sum of Y divided by N. After that we will calculate sigma 2 square. Y represents sample 2. (126) divided by 5 is equal to 25.2. So the value of Y bar is 25.2. We are going to calculate the value of sigma 2 square. Sum of Y minus Y bar whole square divided by n minus 1. First, we will calculate value of y minus y bar, 20 minus 25.2, and so on. Now we are going to take square of these values, minus 5.2 square, and so on. Sum of y minus y bar whole square is equal to 74.952. We are going to put sum of y minus y bar whole square value in the formula. 74.952 divided by 5 minus 1 is equal to 74.95 divided by 4 is equal to 18.73. So variance of group Y or group 2 is 18.738. Now we are going to calculate the value of SP. It is represented by formula SP square is equal to N1 minus 1 into sigma 1 square plus into N1 minus 1 into sigma 2 square divided by N1 plus N2 minus 2. SP square is equal to 5 minus 1 into 32.8 plus 5 minus 1 into 18.73 divided by 5 plus 5 minus 2. SP square is equal to 4 multiplied by 32.8 plus 4 into 18.73 divided by 10 minus 2 is equal to 131.24 plus 74.952 divided by 8. SP square is equal to 206.19 divided by 8 is equal to 25.774. We will take square root on the both sides to convert SP square into SP. SP square under the root is equal to 25.77 square root. SP is equal to 5.07. Now we are going to put all the values in T formula. T is equal to x bar minus y bar divided by SP into under the root 1 over n1 plus 1 over n2. We already calculated all these values. T is equal to 44.6 minus 25.2 divided by 5.07 into under the root 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5 is equal to 19.4 divided by 5.07. Here we are going to take the LCM of 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5. So the LCM comes out to be 5, and when 5 is divided by 5, answer comes out to be 1, and again 5 is divided by 5 and answer came out to be 1. T is equal to 19.4 divided by 5.07 into under the root 2 divided by 5 is equal to 19.4 divided by 5.07 into under the root 0.4. T is equal to 19.4 divided by 5.07 multiplied by 0.63 is equal to 19.4 divided by 3.2 is equal to 6.06. So that the calculated value of T is 6.06. T calculated. Step number 5 is evaluation of statistics. As the confidence level was not given or the value of alpha was not found in the question, so we considered confidence level equal to 95%, so alpha at confidence level of 95% is 0.05. df represents the degree of freedom and it is equal to n1 plus n2 minus 2. We are going to use both of these values to find the value of t tabulated from t table. You can find t table on Google. Sample 1 is equal to 5 and sample 2 is equal to 5, so 5 plus 5 minus 2 is equal to 10 minus 2, so df is equal to 8. T tabulated at alpha is equal to 0.05 and degree of freedom 8. T tabulated is equal to 2.30. Now we are going to compare T tabulated with T calculated to find which of the hypotheses is correct. First we will make a T curve. You can see here that T tabulated is 2.30 on the both sides of the curve. We have written it on the both sides of the curve because it is two-tailed t-test. 6.06 is the calculated value of t. For two-tailed test, it is also written on the both sides of the curve as the value of t calculated lies beyond the curve or acceptance region. So we are going to accept alternate hypothesis and reject null hypothesis. Step number 6 is interpretation. As alternate hypothesis says that the older people are more satisfied, so the older people are more satisfied in their life.